So my daughter and I, we went for a nice walk, went for a little coffee, a little stroll to grab a latte and a treat. But then I walked around our neighborhood, and then now I'm back, and I'm really thirsty. And I was drinking water, but I'm still a little thirsty. So little Miss Aubrey here, she was sleeping, but she woke up. So I'm going to have a little coconut water, and I'm actually going to share it with her. I'm going to show you guys how I open and extract fresh coconut water from a coconut. It's really quick and easy. So this is the coconut, and like I was saying, like being Jamaican, I learned that if you didn't have a machete or then you wouldn't be able to open this. And my husband, he knows that I love coconut water, so he actually started extracting coconut water because we have a few coconut trees in front of our house. So whenever there's coconut on the trees, we just get them and have fresh coconut water. And here we go. So it's really easy. So what I did is I started with my hands. I washed my hands because I had a little cream on my hands and they were like a little greasy or oily. So you don't want your hands to be oily. So I wash my hands with soap and I dry them really well so they're really dry, because I'm using a paring knife and I have to make sure that I have control and I don't cut myself. I don't know if I recommend you guys doing this unless you're really skilled with a knife. I am a trained chef, so I have a lot of knife skills training, all of that fun stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm not telling you to do it because it could be a little risky and you don't want to cut yourself, but I'm just used to working with knives. I can do this probably my eyes closed, but yeah, I'm a chef by trade. So I'm just going to show you guys my trick. And to all my Jamaican massive, if you don't want to try it, then you can try it too. So to get started, I'm going to put this here. I usually do it in my sink, but I'll just do it here for demonstration purposes and so you guys could see it. So this is for her. She's going to have some, and I'm going to grab a glass for myself. So you want to make sure that you're really prepared, because so here we go. This is the glass for myself, and that's her. So mine, hers. So this is how I start. I'm going to make it very quick. So again, my hands are really dry, and this is it. I just go right in and I just go around. So I have control of the knife. If you notice how I'm holding the knife, so if it slips, this shouldn't be here, but that's okay. So if the knife slips, then I have control. So see what I mean? Like, it's really, I don't just hold the knife like this. I'm in control of this knife. And it's a paring knife, but could be a little dangerous. It may splash a little, and I don't want it splashing in my face. So let me do this part. And my hands are very dry right now. See, the water is coming out. Guys, this is it. Look at that. I don't want to lean it. All right, water time. All right, that's it. So it's really simple and easy, and this is for young coconuts. I'm ready. Here we go. And then, oh, all right. That was here we go. Oh my God. Okay, good. That's a glass, and then this is for her. She doesn't get too much, just an ounce, and then I get the rest. Oh yeah. All right, that's it. I don't mind the little pieces. And that was it. Really simple and easy. A paring knife, not a machete, not a machete, just a paring knife. And I am so thirsty, so I am going to have myself. This is a lot of coconut water, and I'm breastfeeding, so this is great. This is wonderful. This is amazing for my milk supply. So good. And then Aubrey, she gets an ounce of coconut water, fresh coconut water. So I feel really good about giving this to her because it's pure, it's natural, and no added sugar. That's it. Oh yeah. How yummy is that? So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share with you my coconut opening hack, and it's so simple and easy. It's not a special knife, it's just a paring knife, and I prefer to use a paring knife because it's shorter and I have more control over it rather than a longer knife that could get a little tricky. So do I recommend that you guys do it? Not really, but it's really easy. Just if you're comfortable with knives, go for it, but make sure you use a paring knife. That's all. That's how I get fresh coconut water instead of buying it from the store. And I love that I can have fresh coconut water and I get to share it with my daughter. So thanks for joining. And again, if you find any value or you want to keep hanging out with us, please consider subscribing. I will see you in my next video, or we will see you in my next video. Bye. Yummy. This is my. Oh! Okay, I'll give you yours here. Alrighty. Someone loves their coconut water. It's tasty, isn't it? And it's good for you.